good, best of more, y'all. Y'all see, we are back. As y'all can see, bro, we got the first one, man. Never regard, bro. I appreciate my dad. Appreciate my mom, man. I appreciate everybody, bro. So look, we back. We got the goddamn Acura Hellcat. We running about 800 wheels to the wheel, bro. 800 to the wheel. As y'all can see, come on, bro. Come on, let me show you. Look at that, bro. We got the seat covers done, bro. As you can see, we got 250,000 going on the dash, bro. On the dash, man. Man, come to the back. Come show them the back. Look at that. But here's the key. Almost got y'all right. Trying to get my name. Not happy. As y'all can see, we got Big Booty Bertha right here. Smack. Let's, come on, man. But chat, let me know how y'all been doing, bro. I want to see the comments, how y'all been. I told y'all in the last video we gonna be back. As y'all can see, I got nigga in here. We about to go to this car meet.
Yeah, you already know what the fuck going on,
Exactly. But look, check this out. We about to go to a car meet. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, please.
And subscribe on a nigga shit.
We going all the way up. This is gonna be one of the latest videos on my channel, so make sure y'all subscribe. We got crazy stuff coming. Legal picks.
You gotta park the hood for though, twin.
Oh man, might as well.
You feel me? You gotta park the hood. You gotta show them that bitch, gang. Show them that goddamn supercharged. You feel me? On my mama, nigga. You gotta show them that supercharged, gang, on the homies, nigga. Supercharged? You gotta show them that supercharged V8.
Running about, you know. Running about like, I'll say about 50,000 horsepower.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit do look cold though. That shit look fine. It look clean as fuck.
50,000 horsepower, bro. Anybody there did not mess with me. Don't let me say that before I get a text message from Quan. But yeah, check this out. I don't even know him. What am I talking about? Shut up. But check this out. We're gonna get back to y'all when we get to the car meet. I told y'all in the last video, if you go watch my last video, I told y'all we're gonna be coming out with bangers this summer. It's summertime, we are outside. So check this out. We're gonna get right back to y'all. Like, I sound like Quan, bro. Why do I sound like Quan? This nigga Quan. But check this out. We're gonna get back to it when we get to the meet. We might give y'all like a little POV drive. Maybe. We'll see. But I'm gonna get back to y'all a bit more. Gang. So look, alright y'all, check this out. We are back. We back, me and the gang. As y'all can see, it's empty right now. We got a Chrysler, we got a Hellcat Chrysler right beside us. Hell no. But anyways, like I was about to say, we got a few trucks that just pulled up, as y'all can see. But I'm gonna get right back to y'all when everybody pull up right now. It's still early at the meet. I just wanted to be here so we can get the footage or whatever for y'all. But we about to turn up tonight. Subscribe, cause right now this shit about to go fucking crazy. It's about to go fucking crazy, nigga. We going up. 2024. That's all we focus on. All right, y'all. We back. We just got to the spot. We did a little cutting. I wish I could have recorded y'all, but it was like dark as hell. So check this out. We got people out here. It ain't many people out here. I mean, but hey, check this out. We got people there. They about to slide. We about to get this footage. So y'all told y'all we coming back and we coming hard. I wish I could slide, man. If it was real job, I would have slid mine, but I can't do that, bro. I can't do that. I ain't gonna mess with the car too much. We're gonna get some pulls on the way back home, y'all. But make sure I enjoy the video. We about to go ahead and slide. Y'all can see we got this big old arena, but yeah.
Oh shit.
I'll get right back to y'all when we start sliding. Bro.
Stop it. Get some help.
No.
Get your ass in the car.
Come on, move out of the way.
I know, I see it. Shit. I'm not gonna.
God, y'all need.
Oh! Oh shit! Woo! Woo!
Nigga getting turned on the homies, nigga. What the fuck?
Air that bitch out. Oh shit. Hell no, hold on.
On the homies, I'ma jump on somebody.
Bro.
Niggas jump every
Hey,
bitch
what?
hit me. I'ma shoot that nigga shit up.
Hey, what though?
Hey, tell out.
This nigga, hey, he said a musty.
Come on, stay. They not gonna get it started. Oh, niggas pulling up.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it.
Yes, he about to spin. Look at him. Look at him. He about to spin. Oh,
You got a clean G37, bro. Make sure y'all hit this like, comment, subscribe, bro. This is my first time at a car meet, bro. I got butterflies in my stomach like crazy, man. Only because of police, but I ain't worried about it, though. Y'all got parties or whatever going on over there. I don't know what's going on over there. What's that, a G37 or am I tripping? Y'all in the comments gotta teach me my cars. I know my cars, but I get it mixed up like with Beamers and like Infinities and shit too. Look at this man, bruh.
Oh! I should have been in that bitch. I should have been in that bitch.
Let's do it, let's do it. Roll back on the Mustang. Let's get him, Key. Come get him, Key. Let's get him, Key.
All right, y'all, what's good, y'all? We made it back. We are at the second location. Things got out of hand a little bit at the first location, but we straight now. Check this out. We just put up to the second spot. Everybody here. We got people back there. They probably gonna slide right over there. But I'm gonna turn the camera right back on as soon as we start having fun in the bitch. We got two beamers. It's not hard though.
I'm riding with my homie.
Yeah. Nah, bro. All right, bro. We can't show that on YouTube, bro. Can't show that. Alright, YouTube, y'all, we are back. I hope y'all, man, I hope y'all boys and females who are watching this video, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It is, as y'all can see, today is the next day. We all like just woke up. My hair is a mess, so shut up. But we're gonna end off the video. I told y'all, we got the first whip, man. Nothing but God, bro. All I can say is thank you to God. Like I said, it don't seem like much, maybe, because like I said, there's other people with bigger cars, better, faster cars, or whatever y'all want to call it. But this car, it got the job done. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? 1 second, y'all. 1 second, man. Oh, almost dropped the keys. But this will be, we're gonna be doing videos on this car too, because starting tomorrow, which is today, is like I think June the 2nd. This is Sunday for me, so Monday we're going to get like the Resident Elite. This is gonna be louder. We got a lot of projects coming to this. This will make it one of my project cars. But nah, y'all, how would y'all feel about me, like, you know, in like a POV drop, like just talking to y'all? I mean, like I said, it ain't no Hellcat, it ain't no none of that, and I ain't worried about that. But like, what y'all think, man? Maybe I'll say maybe, yeah, maybe, but. Yeah, I want all my subscribers to know, like, bro, you could put your mind to anything in this world. You could do whatever you want, man. Don't let nobody ever tell you different, bro. Stuff like this, it's a blessing, though. It really is. So you got your own car, people ain't got to tell you where you can and can't go. You know, stuff like that. And I really do. I appreciate God. I appreciate my family. I appreciate everybody that's in my life and the people that God put in my life. Because come with this YouTube stuff, like, if you want to grow up and be a YouTuber, it's like, you got to learn how to, like, sacrifice some stuff. You got to know how to, like, manage your stuff. Because, like, y'all know I want to upload every single day. But then, you know, you got side things you got side things you got to handle. But, yeah. I wanted to show y'all the new whip, man. We might just start it up real fast.
You know I can't leave y'all like I can't do y'all like that. I can't do y'all like that. We do got to get it started because this is how it's gonna sound. This is the last day of it being quiet. So let's go ahead and just. Ain't bad. Let's see. As y'all can see, we got the pipes on there, but this stuff, so stuff like this is gonna get taken off. Like we're gonna have to go under there. Like I'm getting new pipes installed and all of that type of stuff. But for right now, this is how it sounds. So enjoy the way y'all can, cause soon I'm gonna be doing a POV. Like I already tested out the, the manual downshift and stuff. It's still quiet. It's like a little tweet little bird. But hey, check this out. But that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the freaking video, bro. Best of more. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to this video. I said subscribe to this video, but why am I tripping? I forgot it's like early in the morning. But check this out. Make sure y'all hit that, smash that like button. Please, if you ain't subscribed, what are you doing, bro? Why are you sitting here watching me? Go hit that red or white button, whatever it is. Go hit that button so y'all can get new notifications when the videos drop. I'm telling y'all, think this video was something? This video, we got more wild stuff coming, bro. More wild stuff, I'm telling you. But I love y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get up out of here, and I'll see you on the next.